having a coffee. Time check, it is already 6:38. And we have Galletas del Carmen by Tita Is. And our coffee. Today, dapat 6:45. Lakad na ako because I am gonna pick up my kasama sa work. Nakupo. Oh my God, guys. Giant pala to, guys. Tingnan nyo. What? Ang laki. Alam nyo ba yung gusto ko sanang bilhin na hindi ko nabili? Salvaro. Ang sarap siguro talaga ng Salvaro. Sarap din to. Sarap. $6.41. So guys, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo that we are gonna do a separate haul sa mga na-receive natin na package while I was gone. Na nasa Pilipinas tayo. This is a big box. Meron tayo one. Actually, yung isa na open ko na. So, pretty much we have only 3 packages naman. Let's do an unboxing. Let's start with this one. I'm super excited about this one, guys, kasi I badly need a new shoes. And this is shoes that I got from Figs. I ordered this one last December, and since holiday, sobrang tagal nitong dumating. There you go. Oh, I also ordered socks. Let's see if it's cute. It's cute. Hala, ang cute. This is the sock. Sobrang cute. Look at the details. And the shoes. So this is the New Balance shoes. This is the New Balance shoes in collaboration with Figs. So I got the gray one. So cute. So one thing you will notice about this shoes is zipper. Naka-zipper siya. Because that's my struggle these days. Gusto ko, ching! Ganun lang. We are gonna try this on. Next one is this. I cannot even remember kung ano to. Oh my God. Okay. We got some glasses, guys, from TIJN. Oh, thank you so much, TIJN. These glasses, guys, are graded. So I'm very happy that they've given me this. Of course, i-try on na agad natin. So this is the first one. Bago ako. This is the detail on the side. And the next one. So the next one looks like this. Again, they're all graded and they're not as thick. Ganda! Hey, so cute! This is the detail on the side. Ang cute! And again, it's graded. I have some discounts for you guys with our TIJN. Please do check them out. Like, I'm very surprised. I've ordered to them before, like a long time ago na. I never expected that they would be able to give me something like this na medyo thin. Because if you can compare, this is my current glasses right now. Yung eyeglasses ko talaga sobrang thick. Kita nyo yan? I'm not even sure if makikita nyo. Basta sobrang kapal talaga niya. And this is from Specsavers here in Australia. This one, nipis. Sobrang nipis. Ganyan lang. Nakuha niya because my grade is 375. Sobrang taas ng grade natin sa ating mata. So, I was very shocked na manipis lang siya. And tama yung grade. But anyway, I will leave the links sa description box, guys, para ma-check out nyo sila. If you are interested and if you're into these kinds of bling, cute. Sino nakapag-watch ng Wicked 2? Kasi ako hindi ko talaga na-watch. Michelle was in the Philippines nung nag-out yung For Good, yung Wicked 2. And sabi ko sa kanya, mag-watch kami together when she comes back. And nag-watch siya sa Pilipinas. So, wala nang tulog akong kasabay. Anyway, these products are products that we received from Yes Style. You know, I love Yes Style. So, let's open it. Oh my Lord! Andito na siya. Okay. Let us start with this product. This is a mattifying dry shampoo powder. Cool. Look at that. Mattifying dry shampoo na powder. So, I can just leave it in the car. And yun nga, pag naging oily na yung buhok natin, ganun-ganun lang natin. So, this is really good. I do carry yung brand. But anyway, I'll show you one day kung ano yung itsura niya. This is what I'm talking about, guys, sa aking previous na video. This is a product of Japan na lagi kong ginagamit, guys. Paubos na siya. And I'm so glad na yung Yes Style para is meron pala silang mga Japan products because they really thought Korean products na yung available sa kanila. So, nag-order na talaga ako ng dalawa. Again, this is how it looks like. I'm not really sure. Oh, Roto! Okay, Roto pala siya, guys. Okay, Roto yung brand. Sabihin ko sana sa inyo na hindi ko alam kung ano yung brand. Pero dito pala sa baba. Roto yung brand nito, guys. Please do check them out. Naggagandahan talaga ako sa kanila. And it's not expensive. So, if you're looking for a vitamin C is like brightening, especially with my hyperpigmentation na nangyari sa akin when I was going to the Philippines na wala tayong masyadong tulog. Grabe talaga yung pimple ko dito, lala. So, ngayon, nag-brighten na siya actually with the use of this. Ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko na vitamin C. The next one is, this one, bago ko siya itatry, guys. I've heard so many good things about this product. This is the Madagascar Centella. Lagi ko siya nakikita talaga sa TikTok at saka sa Facebook. So, I was like, baka mag-work to siya sa akin. So, we have the light cleansing oil. Tamang-tama, naubusan na ako ng Anwa cleansing oil ko na I've been recommending to you for how many months now. Naubusan na ako nun, pero I really love that product din. Binigay yun sa akin ni ate, tapos mag-asa ko next time. Baka meron pa siya. The other one is the Ampule Foam. So basically, the cleansing oil first, and then this one next. So yan, na-try natin yan. Pag maubos na talaga yung ano ko, kasi ganito na lang siya kaliit. This one is a juicy. Pakita ko sa inyo to pag itatry ko na siya. Other products, this is a Can Make na, what do you call that? Blush on. Kasi yung blush on natin, na-expire na, guys. Na-expire na yung mga blush on natin. Kaya nga, nag-aano na ako talaga ngayon, nagba-blush on ako kasi sayang na lagi tayong, hindi naman lagi, pero bumibili tayo tapos hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. So yeah, this one. Can Make is a good product daw talaga, guys. So, nakabili na ako niyan, pero it was like a gift to someone. So, hindi ko pa talaga siya na-try. The next one is Soft Ice Toast. This is an eyeshadow palette. Ipakita ko sa inyo, or palette. So, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung colors niya. And then, maybe one day, kasi yung ganito ko nga, yung mga eyeshadow ko talaga, na-expire na talaga sila. And I was like, I've been using a lot of expired ones, but pwede naman akong bumili sa Yes Style. So, ayan. Napaka-confusing kasi bumili ng mga ganito. But this one, sobrang ganda ng review nito. So, I was like, i-try na natin. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako masyado ma-makeup, guys. As much as possible nga, nung nasa Pilipinas ako, hindi ako nag-makeup talaga kasi nga, it's humid. So, madikit siya sa skin. So, yung ginagawa ko na lang talaga is sunscreen, tapos konting blush on. And then, I was like, alam nyo, pwede din kasi maganito. Kasi, as long as hindi sa entire face mo nalalagay, okay lang. So, I feel like, okay sana may kulay-kulay konti yung ating mata. But wala akong ganito. Kasi nga, tinapon ko na. Kasi mga expired na. Such ganito, ablin may nanig yun. I don't know why. Ano ilang lisulon. Tayo na nasira na talaga siya, guys. Wala naman talaga akong pasensya sa mga ganito. Ah! Easy lang pala sa top. Nasira na tuloy. Ang cute. Para siyang ano ba? Toast nga. Bread. Hala, ang cute ng colors. Look. Ganyan yung mga colors niya. Neutral lang. Ayan, oh my god, it's so cute. And then, nagustuhan ko siya kasi meron siyang mirror. So, ayan. Yung applicator lang siguro. Mas okay talaga dun, applicator na no. Okay, that's the next one. Of course, bumili ako ng maraming Acne Pimple Master Patch. Meron pala tayong 4. Alam mo ba, nag-request ako ng ganito kay ate. Nakalimutan ko na nag-order na pala ako. The next one is, meron tayong mga panibagong itatry, guys. We have Focallure na, what do you call this one? Setting Brow Wax. So, ayan. Never pa ako nakagamit ng mga ganito kasi feeling ko parang hirap. Ang hirap niyang gawin. But let's try that one. This one is a Etude. This is Etude Drawing Eyebrow. Let's see. Okay. Sisira talaga siya. Kailangan talaga sirain ba? Ang arte naman ito. Sisira ko pa talaga siya. Bahala ka dyan. Charis. Bakit pa kasi sisirain pa? Dami ng request ng tita, no? Oh, see? Ang pangit na tuloy. Sige, go. So, ganito itsura niya. Tapos, ayan. Okay. Napakanipis. Okay. Kailangan pa niya ng oras para mag-color siya. But yeah, this is my shade. The next one is we are trying. Oh, ngayon ko lang nalaman na nag-order din pala ako nito. Meron tayong cluster eyelashes, guys. I tried this one kasi grabe gustong-gusto ni ate. Lagi niyang nilalagay sa kanyang pilikmata. And I was like, sige ako nga din. Pero ako talaga yung klase ng tao, guys, na parang maglalagay-lagay na naman. Parang before, I was very high maintenance, no? Like, kung anong kaartehan ginagawa ko sa buhay ko or sa aking sarili. Pero ngayon, parang natatamaran na talaga ako sa mga ganitong bagay. But, I will really try my best kasi pag nilagay mo naman sa mata mo, nagiging alive talaga yung mata ko. And then, yung mata ko pa naman ay medyo malungkot at saka sleepy. So, feeling ko, mag-e-effort ako ngayon, guys. This year, mag-e-effort tayo ng mga ganyan-ganyang bagay. Maraming binigay si ate sa akin ng mga cluster eyelashes and I'm gonna try them on. Actually, nung nasa kanilang bahay ako, naglagay ako. Nakita nyo naman sa vlog. After nung natanggal ko siya, after 3 days or 2 days ba yun, hindi na ako naglagay ulit. But yeah. Sige, maglalagay tayo ulit, guys. Kasi binigyan tayo ng marami niya. That's the goal. These ones are, these are the colored na mga pimple patch, guys. If ever, kasi minsan, parang awkward na nilalagyan mo ng ganitong kulay, yung mga clear lang na pimple patch. Ito kasi, very cute, kasi colorful yung mga acne patches. Minsan, nakakaganda siya, mas maganda siya tingnan, kaysa gamitin yung clear patches. Kasi, clear patch, tapos makeup after, diba? Like, very obvious talaga na may kina-cover ka. Ito, i-highlight mo na lang talaga na meron kang acne at saka kinakover mo yung acne. Ang cute pa niya kasi star. And then the next one, ito. Anong brand nito, uy? Mentholatum. Mentholatum. Ayan, raspberry red. Ayan, lip balm. Sobrang bilis ko mawala ng mga lip balm, guys. Yung Nivea na sobrang gusto ko, I think raspberry ba yun? Or basta yung the darkest shade na lip balm nila, na tinted, nawala ko na naman. So, ang bilis-bilis ko talaga mawala ng mga ng mga lip balms. Ito, Etude na fixing. What is this? What is the meaning of... okay. O, sige, ito try natin to. Ang ganda naman ng kanyang lalagyan. So, okay. Maganda yung shade. Maganda din yung pagka-apply ko. Very smooth lang yung pagka-apply ko. Oh my God, let's see. Maganda siya, oh. Ooh, nice. Isa lang yung in-order ko. This is in the shade Woody Pink, number 15. Woody Pink. And that's pretty much it. Ito is na-open ko na siya, guys. Oh my God. Na-open ko na to siya. So, hindi ko na siya i-go through. Those products, I received them from YesStyle as well. And now is the time to rest because I'm gonna be working tomorrow in the morning. So, kailangan na talaga natin mag-pack up. Mag-tidy up pala. So, ayun. Ito yung pinakauna natin, yung mga products na na-receive this 2026. And I'm so happy, especially with the shoes. Bagong taon, bagong sapatos. So, ayun. Anyway, if you are interested in the products that I've shown you today, especially yung mga YesStyle products natin, itong magandang lipstick na ito, please click the links sa description. Please click the links sa description box. And then use my code RICH621 for 10% discount sa mga YesStyle products. Yun lang. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.